All right, guys, what's up? How you doing? Today we are going to be installing these very simple Shorty GP exhaust that are going to just go right onto the Scout here. If you watched my video about being in a wreck, then you know that I kind of ruined my exhaust a little bit. And I've had these laying around for a couple weeks. I've been wanting to install them, and I figured this is the perfect time. So I think all I have to do is take 1-2 bolts off, and that's going to take this whole assembly off, and then just loosen that and loosen that little band and then slip it off. If it's slip on, I better be able to slip it off. Also, I'll give you a comparison between the stock exhaust, the Vance & Hines, and then the GP right now. So this is stock. And then this is the Vance & Hines slip-ons. And then now this is the Shorty GP. And all this is filmed on my A7 III with a Rode Mic Video Pro Plus as a shotgun mic or whatever, and all the audio levels are the same, so you can kind of get a gist as to how loud and what they sound like, so it's decent sound quality. So let's get started. Also, I'll link these down in the description below. They're like 80 bucks on Amazon Prime. Super good deal. Okay, so I'm literally just going to loosen this clamp, loosen this clamp, take that bolt off and take that bolt off, and I think I should be able to get the whole system off. Use a wrench on the back side to hold the other nut in place. All right, and this exhaust is hot, so I'm gonna use my gloves when I grab it. All right, couldn't have been easier. Okay, so let me kind of walk you through these. These are just, they have these little grills in here, and that's really it as far as baffling goes. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me brighten it up a little bit here. But yeah, they're super simple, and they just come with clamps. The clamps are silver. I just used some high temperature VHT spray to spray these black. So when they're on there, it's gonna look black instead of silver then black. So like the name implies, you just kind of slip them on, and they go in pretty far if you want. You can make them longer, and they're still gonna be good. They still got some grab on there. You can make them that long. You can make them shorter like that. You can tilt them down, tilt them sideways, whatever you're thinking. I'll probably go about as short as possible here so I don't show any of this messed up stuff on the exhaust. And we'll do right about at the end of that, like right there maybe. So I thought about doing them pointing down like that, and then one longer like that pointing down. I thought about that, but I don't really like that look at all, so I'm just gonna go probably just even sideways like that. So yeah, let's put the clamps on and install these things. Okay, so we got the clamp on, slip it on to our desired amount. We might just go all the way in. No, let's go a little bit out. And then this is just an 11mm ratcheting wrench. All right, and I got the other one on, so both are installed. So this is what it looks like from the side. I'm a little bit mixed about the look of it. I think I'll get used to it. I like it, but I also think it looks a little bit too short on the end. But that's just me. Maybe it's the contrasting titanium gold, whatever, with that. It looks a little weird, but I think I'll get used to it. I think I might actually like it. All right, guys, mission accomplished. I don't know if you can tell in the video. I mean, you should be able to tell. They're definitely louder, especially at high revs. I mean, at idle, it's not a super crazy difference, but when you rev that thing, it's crazy louder than the Vance & Hines. And I'm sure that has to do with just the amount of space between the muffler and the exit, and the lack of baffles inside of it. So yeah, guys, any questions you have about it, let me know. Drop them in the comments down below. I'll see if I can help you out. Any suggestions you have for the bike, drop them in the comments down below. If you're a motorcycle company, you have parts you want me to try out for the videos, let me know. I'll put my email in the description down below, and I'll link these down below on Amazon. They're like 80 bucks maybe. And it is affiliate link, so if you buy it from my link, I get like $2 or something like that. So it costs you the same amount of money, but it gives me $2. So if you found the video helpful, use my link to buy them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.